Hi, I'm Nadalie Bardo, a goals coach over at itsallyouboo.com, and I simply love Try Interact. Thanks to this amazing quiz builder, my email list and sales are growing like crazy. So much so that I keep having to upgrade my email marketing system. And here's the amazing thing. I even had 1 week where I had 2,000 new subscribers. How amazing is that? I first got started with quizzes back in 2017, but I was frustrated that every single platform I tried to use let me down. It did not have the functionality I wanted. It didn't look how I wanted it to look. But enter, try, interact. Within a day, I was able to create the quiz of my dreams. It's amazing. From that first page all the way to being able to send customizable emails to subscribers based on their result. How amazing is that? That's the personalized touch that I wanted to be able to have on my website. I didn't want yet another freebie or a boring quiz that wasn't able to do what I dreamed of it doing. So my favorite part about Try Interact is how easy it was also to add it to my website. I didn't have to use a third-party plugin or deal with any complicated coding or try to think of some workaround. Literally, with just a few clicks, I was able to add it to my top bar or even set up a pop-up or embed it on a page. How amazing is that? And you can have the same results as well. So don't go write that other blog post. Forget about creating yet another freebie. You need a quiz. Seriously, I have tried every way of growing my email list, but this is the simplest, most powerful way, and Try Interact is definitely the quiz builder to get you there. So what are you waiting for? Go create that quiz. You won't regret it.